What is up, guys? Rhythm Rider back again with another epic adventure. Today, guys, I got my boy Freaktography with me. He's in another room. But anyways, guys, we got this big abandoned hospital. It's been abandoned for, I think, like 12 years, but lots of decay, no real vandalism. It's just all natural decay. So anyways, guys, let's check it out. So I'm on the top floor of this abandoned hospital, and it's the original part of the hospital dates back to the late 1800s actually, and then over the years they added a few more wings. But look at this. Now the hospital, the reason why it was closed was that to bring it up to current code would have cost way too much money, so they actually just built a new hospital. I love the paint peel, look at this. And there's so much of it, guys. That wall's completely gone over there. I mean, the plaster on it's gone. Oops. Like everything you see that's happening in here, guys, is all natural decay. This is pretty cool. Check out the sink, just full of debris, decay, wall coming down. I don't need to show you guys every single room because it'll get a little boring. That's where we started out. Nice decay on the wall there. But yeah, like I was saying, we don't need to see every single room because it gets repetitive. I don't want you guys to be bored. Let me show you this little peek in each room. What's back here? Some old cassettes. Giving and getting criticism. We've got a bathroom back here. And another room with lots of decay. It smells in here. I do have my respirator, guys, but I'm not wearing it right now. But there are parts of the hospital where I definitely want to wear it. Some of these rooms are pretty moldy. Get a flashlight going. So this would be the staircase. Up top goes to the roof, as you can see there, but no point in going to the roof drawing attention to us. Look at the paint just sagging off the walls. This room stinks. I'm not gonna go in there. Over there, guys, we've got Urbex Freaktography Dave Ryder.
Just getting done fucking around, guys. We're just getting started here.
His first time in the hospital, my third time. We had a little bit of difficulty getting in, but we're in.
We got her done.
Yep. So guys, this is the physiotherapy room of the hospital. Lots of awesome decay here. And I just love those cupboards. But as you can see, there's all different things. So you could climb on this, you could tie like straps to it and pull and everything. And of course, this little device right here That's to help you like relearn how to walk again, essentially. And then over on this wall, this is where weight sets are to help build up the muscle that's probably all toast. I'm not really sure what this thing is though. It's different sizes, obviously. It looks like it's a baseball bat kind of, but if you guys know what that thing is for, it's definitely related to physiotherapy. But if you know what that is, guys, please let me know. I'm very curious. Look at this, guys. All the curtains are still hanging. So there'd be like a bed. You know, one right there, then one over here. And look at the funkiness on the floor, guys. As I mentioned, some areas are worse than others. This area not so bad for air quality, that is. As you can see, we are on the 3rd floor. Occupational therapy, recreational therapy, radiology, and physiotherapy. Look at this. Wow. The decay is intense. Look at the spider web. And then you got this super decayed sink. Now this is really cool over here, guys. Caution x-rays, and then look right here. You got the x-ray table still set up. That's pretty awesome. And then look at this bathroom right off of it. The sink is just completely full of decay. Back here, look at that. It's like the x-ray machine thing that makes it work, for lack of a technical term. So cool. Check this out here. What do you guys think of this video so far? It's a pretty cool spot, lots of natural decay, and you know Rhythm Rider loves that decay. Now there's no epic spiral staircases, but that's okay. The decay more than makes up for that. And see, there is a bit of tagging, but not a lot. Very, very little. Check this out, guys. Nature is fighting back hard. Got green stuff growing right there. Moss and stuff. Wow. This room is super decayed. And look at the cupboards. Most of them have just like collapsed underneath all the, with water just soaking them and the wood's just falling to bits. And like, that's a cupboard door right there. That's so decayed. Looks like there was some tropical wallpaper here at one time. Alright guys, so as you can see, we are now on the 2nd floor. Here's a look into the staircase. Look at the decay on this. All those wicked paint peels. That's awesome. This is freight elevator only. Nice decay in here. And the air is not good, so I'm putting my respirator on. That's pretty sweet, eh, guys? Director of Special Services. Such good decay here, guys. Once in the corridor, the air's better, but when you get in these rooms, the air's pretty bad. Oh, look at it, it's a salon. You wouldn't want to get your hair did here now. Look at that sink. And you got the old sprayer still sitting there. That's cool. Whoa, look at the floor in here, guys. Just completely alive. And the decay is serious. Look at the walls. What is up, guys? So these would be patient rooms, and look at this. Somebody's tied the curtain together. They've like braided it all. That's pretty cool. Someone spent a lot of time doing that. What's back here? Must be the bathroom. Oh, here's a bathroom here. Got a decayed toilet, and it goes into another patient's room. And again, just so much natural decay. It's actually pretty cool to see these curtains, and they're not even like filthy. Well, some of them are, but these ones aren't. In a room like this, you'd think they'd be disgusting, but they're not. Oh, look at this. Look at the wall. Mold does some pretty interesting things when it starts growing. It's kind of like nice looking. Well, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. It's pretty fun. It's a good explore. It's that old school decay that I absolutely love. So I'm hoping you guys are enjoying it as well. What is up, guys? Got Urbex Dave, Freaktography.
There we go. I got a whole fucking rig set up, and you just got your little GoPro.
Yeah, buddy. There is a, oh, right here. We'll let Urbex Dave Urbex that, and then we'll come back. Oh, it's still pretty dark. Now, as I mentioned before, these patient rooms, it's just repetitive, a lot of it. Like, there's nothing really in them, but it's still, you know, every once in a while you get a room like this. Like, look at the decay. The shelves coated with decay. And, like, look at the pile of debris, decay on the toilet. That's crazy. These like Norman Rockwell drawings, looks like. Now, I'm sure everything that's worth value has been stripped out of here, but it's still surprisingly in good condition. I mean, the bones itself, the building is, you know, pretty bad, but it's still, you know, it's all concrete, so it's relatively indestructible. Look at this. So this would probably be like a day room for activities and stuff. And I just love those reflections on the floor. Water's getting in here big time, guys. And actually, above where this is, 'cause this wing's only 2 levels, and above this, the part of the facade is coming down. So they've actually put demo fencing around this whole hospital. It's never been like that, but since it's starting to collapse on the outside, they're doing that, I'm assuming, for safety. But we still got in here, so. Look at that. So cool. Very. All right, guys, so we're on the first floor now, and it's very dark down here. Most of the main floor windows have been boarded up. It's basically the same as the upper floors that we've already explored, so I'm not going to bother going into every single room, but I am going to put my camera down so I can film better for you guys. Okay. So right here, this is the front lobby, and this would have been the main reception area. All these different little like call buttons. Oh, look at Dr. R. Woodhouse, Dr. D. Clark, Dr. Thompson, and so on. So these must be a paging system to reach the doctor somewhere in the hospital. We go through here. Lots of demo going on. Just, I don't know if the walls are coming down. Probably. But right here, guys, this would be the auditorium. And right there, somebody had a fire. They're using paint cans and chairs. It's actually a pretty neat building, or neat room. It's big. Let's see what's behind here. I don't know if I've ever gone behind here. Oh, look at this. So it's like a kitchen area. Oh, and there's stairs. It's over here. Just a room. And then we're back out to the auditorium. Now we're behind the reception area. Telephone there. There's some sort of equipment here. I'm not sure what this is. Looks like it prints or something like that. Could be a time clock or something. All right, guys. Now let's go down and find the morgue. We're gonna go this way, guys. Urbex Dave is gonna go check out the morgue, but I wanna go check out this way first. Because the morgue is a small spot, so it's not really easy for 2 people to fit into it. And this is the bottom of the freight elevator, and look at the textures on that. Wow. Now we're in the kitchen. Actually, the air's totally fine down here right now. Got some Hobart cooking equipment. Just, that's all you're hearing underneath my feet is paint crunching away. Let's look at this, eh? Old stove here. There's always Christmas decorations at places, abandoned places. So strange. This would be for refrigerators. Got another one right here. And you got these old rusted stoves. Another prep area. But let's go over to the morgue, guys, because that's pretty cool. Now, one thing that's disappointing about the morgue is that when I first came here several years ago, the slab was there, it was really cool, but now the roof has caved in, so most of the slab, you can't even like see it really. You can, but you can't actually appreciate it. But we'll still check it out. It's still really cool to see. You can see enough of it to know what it is.
Urbex Jamie's coming.
Yep, over here doing some urbex.
We're urbexing so hard right now, guys.
Yep. The kitchen's down that way.
Oh yeah?
It's pretty cool.
Okay, we're going to the kitchen now, guys.
Oh, look at this, guys. The locker rooms. Staff locker rooms. Just doors all friggin' mangled. Here we go, guys. Last place most people will ever see, if they ever see it. The morgue. It's pretty crazy. So you've got two body coolers up top and then two on the bottom, and the ones on the bottom would accommodate this gurney right here. So this is where they keep the bodies after they've expired. And then here is the autopsy room. But like the whole roof has come right down. And then right there, guys, that's the autopsy table. That's pretty awesome. It's just unfortunate. It's not safe at all to go in there. So guys, I've been here a couple times, and the weird thing is, once I get to the morgue, I stop. This time I went further, and there's so much more I've never actually explored here. This is part of the power plant, this kind of maintenance building. Oh, look at this. Got an autoclave here. And what that's for is sterilizing medical equipment. There's physiotherapy. Like, look at all this stuff that's here. It's crazy because the rest of the hospital has nothing in it. And then down here, there's so much. It's mostly just chairs and desks and tables for eating off of. There is some medical equipment. Huh, got a bedpan right there. VersaLift to help up patients that can't use their own strength. Yeah, look at, there's medical equipment here. That's crazy. I don't know what this goofy machine is. Weird. It's all set up. Kids probably come in here and chill. There is a surprising amount of stuff. Would not have expected all this stuff to be still here when you look at the rest of the hospital being empty. Ow. It's actually really cool to find this area, or to even come down here and not ever realize what was down here. Like, what's in here? Some sort of office. is probably like, I don't know, the repair room. What is that? I can't even think what that name's called. Let's go check out in here. Oh, look at this, guys. So this is the power plant. These are big generators, or boilers it says, yeah. Wow. That's cool. Really interesting. Maintenance room, that's the room I'm thinking of. Look at all this stuff. Wow. It's pretty cool. Let's see what else is down here, guys. This is all unexplored territory for me. And I was just here 2 weeks ago to make sure that it was still open, or that it was open. Let's see what else. What's in here? Oh, more lockers. I don't want to let that door close behind me. Oh, jeez, it's super loud. Oh, it's light over here. Oh, look at this. This is the laundry room. Wow. That's cool. Massive washing machines and dryers. And of course the Toledo scale. All right, guys, well, that's the end of this epic adventure. Big, abandoned, decaying hospital. We're in the morgue right now. I got Urbex Dave, Freaktography. He's out there. Where is he?
What's up, guys?
There he is right there. So anyways, guys, tell me what you think in the comments down below. If you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe. Smash the like button. And remember, guys, always come back, because Rhythm Rider always has that epic shit. All right, thanks for watching. Peace. All right, guys. Fuck. All right, guys, well, that's... fuck.